Hello and welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet Edmonton. Today we have a pre-owned 2022 GMC Yukon SLE in the color Onyx Black. Under the hood you do get a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. You got the blacked out grille wrapped in chrome. You have the LED headlights, daytime running lights, as well as fog lights. You have your engine block heater just down there, as well as your safety sensors. You have your glossy black rims, as well as your running boards and roof rails. Alrighty, so you're gonna see on the door we have plenty of storage space. You have the wood grain trim finish, our door locks, mirror controls, and window controls. We have the power seat adjuster and lumbar support. Going to the left side of the steering wheel, you're gonna have your lane keep assist, as well as your traction control, your emergency parking brake, your automatic on and off, as well as your modes, your different drive modes. And you have your light controls there as well. I'm gonna hop on in. And we have our fully digital center screen. And then you do have the speed limit indicator to the right-hand side. You have a leather wrapped steering wheel, and on the left-hand side, you have your adaptive cruise control, as well as your hands-free calling and your audio controls. Moving over to our entertainment screen. So let's go over to our tow mode. So we have your start test lights and all your features on that. This is our phone portion, so you connect your phone to Bluetooth. And then we have your Sirius XM AM FM radio, USB podcast news Alexa. This vehicle also does come equipped with a backup camera. Coming down a bit further, you do have your tri-climate control zones, so the front and rear passengers both have their free range on that. You have your USB and USB-C port chargers as well. Storage space, plenty of it. And we also have some more storage down here and some USB and USB-C charging ports. Okay, now that we are in the back, as you see, we do have privacy glass on all windows. You have your parking sensors on the rear bumper, the chrome decals, and your backup camera is actually just under the GMC. And there's a cool feature on this vehicle. I'm gonna press the key twice, and it's going to open the rear window. Close that up. And then I'm going to open the trunk. You got your car seat tethers. Got some hooks on either side. And then we're going to open this up, and then you do have some additional storage space. Thank you so much for watching today's video on the pre-owned 2022 GMC Yukon SLE. If you have any questions, come on in or give us a call and we will be happy to help you out.